How to turn on reduce 3D photo motion on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on reduce 3D photo motion on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down and click media, and then go down again and you will find here reduce 3D photo motion, and just click on it if you want to turn it on. And as you see, reduce 3D motion 3D photo motion has been turned on. And that's how to turn reduce 3D photo motion on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.